line. Well, I learned my lesson too many times. Flaws like you put me through hell, and I need something new. I need a brown-eyed 5-5, north side of the Mason-Dixon line kind.